What is going on, everybody? Welcome back here at Stellhorn RV and Camping Center here in Kokomo, Indiana. Today I'm pretty excited about this one. We're taking a look at the new 2026 Flagstaff Classic 826 MBR. Alright guys, so now that we've seen those awesome drone shots and the spec sheet, let's get started with the inside of this camper. So we've got this living and kitchen area with this nice theater seating, has cup holders on the side, has a storage in the middle, and wireless charging for your phones as well. They are pretty comfortable, I might add, as well. Into the kitchen area, we do have a lot of counter space, and there's a lot of cabinet and drawer space, which is nice. Over here with the fridge, it does open on both sides. And then we've got the freezer down here below. What is nice about one of these drawers, at least, is it is specifically made for your silverware. Then down here is a spot for your trash can. Sink's pretty large as well. It does extend out to wash dishes. This overhead cabinet space is pretty nice for those pots and pans that you might have. Then what is nice back here is we do have a couple outlets, a USB Type A port and Type C port. What I could imagine right here is maybe like an air fryer or a rice cooker. I'm a huge rice guy, but anyways, something I do enjoy about this camper is the backsplash and the front window here. It does have pretty nice trim, blends well with the backsplash. Something else that's nice about this travel trailer is the appliances here in the kitchen. Got the oven, got the 3-burner cooktop, and then we've got this residential microwave, much bigger than what you're gonna find in most RVs. Also, sorry for the, I don't know if it's that loud on camera, but we've got a bunch of traffic out here going over railroad tracks right out here. But anyways, moving on. We have a nice spot for the TV. Great spot with the theater seating matched in. Also, if you're cooking something here in the kitchen, you can also watch that TV. We've got a bar area with a couple chairs as well. Here's going to be kind of your pantry area for all those snacks. And we've got the control panel right there. Alright, let's go ahead and head into the bedroom. Now that we're in the bedroom, let's take a look at what we've got right here. This is the second slide out as well. The first slide out is going to be where that theater seating and fridge is. So we've got some overhead storage. Got the nice reading lights right in here. Then what is interesting, and that I just kind of noticed coming out to film this video, is there's these nice little shelves here. I don't know if most people would find that much use out of them, but what is great about these little shelves is, I don't know if you can see from here, but there is a little hole against the wall there for some cords or cables. And then there's also the outlets as well, which pairs well with that. And then kind of turning around here, there's a lot of storage, a lot of drawers, cabinet space. And then right in here is a nice area. This is for a washer slash dryer option. So they do make the washer dryer units that can do both in one. So that would be great to go here. If you don't want it for that, you can just hang shirts there. Then let's head into this bathroom. This bathroom is great. I think the bathroom is the best part of this camper, especially if you're looking for that extra space in the bathroom. You're definitely going to get it with this one. So we got the standard foot flush toilet, nothing too crazy there. Then we've got this shower. It does have a seat along with some shelving space to put your shampoo, your soap, so you can look good. And there's this extra storage space, towels, washcloths. Then this is the great part. The vanity is the great part. It's a double vanity, has 2 sinks. Then there's this storage up above as well. And you are getting a decent amount of storage in these spots as well. This does go back quite a bit, which is great. So if you're a couple looking for some space, looking to not be stepping on top of each other while camping, this 826 MBR is definitely a great option for you. So let's go ahead and head outside and discuss some of the exterior features. All right, now let's touch on the outside here. So starting kind of at the front, we do have this power tongue jack as well, which makes it nice. You don't have to hand crank it. We've also got LP tanks right there as well. And then our first storage option kind of extends right here. So that's access to your trash can, your kind of piping for your sink and stuff. I don't know if you guys remember, but when I had opened the storage under the sink, this is exactly where it would have access. So you'd have access inside the unit and outside the unit. Also, sorry if my camera angles have been a little wacky. I'm trying to figure out this gimbal that I've been using today. So, but anyways, we do have a nice, I believe it is a 19-foot awning. It is a power awning, don't have to manually crank that, which is great. We do also have the step above steps, 500-pound weight capacity. And what is great about a lot of these new Flagstaffs is they automatically come with this nice like safety rail that MORryde makes. It's very helpful, especially if you need assistance kind of walking up there. We do have kind of an area for your outdoor TV, your cooking. We've got outlets as well. Bunch of noise going on out here. And then we've got this outdoor fridge, which is great as well. And let's head around the back side here. We do have this nice ladder for roof access, and then we do have that 2-inch hitch receiver as well. And this little area has access to your water pump, which is nice. And every storage door on this camper does have that kind of slam shut door, just like that. Real nice. It's satisfying when you close it. Then we also have the cable and satellite hookups, as well as the city water connection and your kind of gray water holding tank area. There's this nice big storage area as well in this slide out. Another storage option here. Not as big as the other one, but still nice. Then right over here, this is going to be access to your electric leveling system, which is pretty nice. Makes it a lot easier. All right, guys, that about covers it for the 826 MBR. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to comment them below. Otherwise, I think that's about it. Like, subscribe, comment, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.
Discover